Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that you all are fine today. In this video, I am going to give you a complete guide to become fluent in English in 2025. So this year 2024 is going to end, and if you haven't been able to become fluent in English, do not worry about this thing. But before we begin the video, I just want to give you a brief introduction. If you have not decided your goal, first go and think what is your goal and what are the reasons for you to become fluent in English. And are you really serious about your goal to become fluent in English? Just sit and think deeply. So, let's just jump into the video. First of all, just one thing. Unlearn all the things that you have heard about fluency. Just forget all the tips and technique and focus on my words. Focus on my tips that I am going to give you in this video. So let's start the video. First, reading. This is very underrating habit, and we do not read nowadays. We just scroll on social media endlessly. We do not have that habit of reading. You have to read the books to become fluent in English, to create an atmosphere of English language around you. Reading is must for you. You can read fiction books, non-fiction, novels, short stories, self-help books, newspaper, whatever you want to read. You have to start reading on daily basis. You can start reading just one page. Nowadays, I have been reading this book, Ikigai. This has very simple language, and you can read this book and you can read some other book also. You can read newspaper too. You can read books like this. Okay? Let's know the other benefits of reading. Reading will improve your mental health. Reading will improve your vocabulary with context and with references. Reading will improve your comprehensive ability and thinking ability. It will boost your personal growth. It will shape your personality overall. Please, I request you to add reading some good books to improve your fluency in English. Next point is writing. Writing is a great way to learn the English language. It will improve your vocabulary. You can learn new words very quickly because before writing something, you have to think deeply. You have to reflect your own thoughts. It will improve your mental health also because writing is considered as therapeutic session in psychology. If you are writing before going to bed, you will feel rejuvenating, you will feel lighter in next morning. When you are writing, you are visualizing something before you write. So your imagination and critical thinking will be improved if you write something on a daily basis. You can write journal every night before going to bed about your routine, what did you do in your entire day, what task you have completed entire day and you have not completed your task. When did you go? Whom did you meet? You can describe your routine. You can describe your whole day. If you have read any books, you can write summary of that books, of that pages. So you can do writing also and you can do reading also. Next point is listening. Listening is very important if you want to become fluent in English. So I tell you this in my every video that you have to watch and listen to English language. You have to watch movies shows, interviews, podcasts, etc. to improve your English fluency. I will suggest some movies, shows, podcasts, or videos in my description so that you can go and watch and practice your English language. Because when you are watching something in English, you are supposed to focus on their speech, pronunciation, intonation, articulation, the way they speak, usage of words with expression. You can know their accent and you can do the shadowing exercise. Yes, you can shadow the character, their speech. And if you do not know that what the shadowing exercise is, you can watch my videos on shadowing exercise, because I have created many videos on shadowing exercise. You can click here. So please do watch content in English language to improve your fluency. Last but not the least, speaking. You have to speak in English. You have to start speaking in English if you want to become fluent in English. Here I am not suggesting that you have to stand in front of your mirror and talk to yourself. No, you have to make conversation with real people, real person, if you want to get rid of fear of speaking English. If you feel that I am not feeling that confident to talk to in English, one solution. There is only one solution. You have to expose yourself in the real world and you have to make conversation with real people, real audience. If you have that fear of speaking English language and you are afraid of speaking English, you have to speak to someone who is real. So there are many platforms you can use to expose yourself to people who want to learn English and who want to practice with you, with real people. Okay, so start speaking in English and find your community, find your people who want to speak in English. Learn this language so you can get rid of this fear of speaking English. Everyone has a fear because we are human. But do not worry, you have to practice a lot. You have to work hard with consistency. Please start speaking in English. So those were listening, reading, speaking and writing. You have to follow my each and every tips that I have suggested you in this video. Do not do anything. Just try this method for 21 days. Here I am not saying that you can become fluent in 21 days, but you have to continue. 21 days you have done it, okay? So you can continue to next 21 days, next 21 days, next 21 days. And then if you work hard with this roadmap, with this complete guide, you can become fluent in English. Please believe in yourself. If you do not believe in yourself, world is not going to believe you. So start working, start right now with whatever resources you have, start speaking in English. Nobody can stop you. You have to work hard with super consistency. Just work hard, believe in yourself. You have your mobile phone with internet and world is waiting for you. Please believe in yourself. Start speaking in English. You can do it. Just believe in yourself. Remember this. You can do it. You can become fluent in English. I will see you in my next video with new topic. Till then, bye. Take care. Work hard.